Ghana is a country located in the western part of Africa. It used to have 10 regions, but until recently, 6 regions has been added, making a total of 16 regions. Do you know the names of these regions in Fante? Please stick and stay with us. We'll be right back as we take you through the names of the regions in Fante.
Sesiarati mutumu kamfansin kakra osana podels multimedia mfansi kasisuyanensi.
Hey, good people of this channel, we are happy you are still here with us. Now, before we start today's lessons on the names of the regions in Ghana in Fante, please, we want to first of all take you through these names as we'll be using them frequently in the names of the regions. The very first name is Mantle. Mantle, where Mantle means region. Region. Please keep that in mind. We'll also be using this word, Ane. Ane, where Ane is western or west. Ane is western or west. The next word is Etifi. Etifi, where Etifi is north or northern. Northern or north. Boka is the next word. Boka. Boka is east or eastern. Boka is east or eastern. Ashanti. Ashanti, where in English we call this Ashanti. 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 Finimfin. Finimfin. In Fante, we say Finimfin, where Finimfin is middle or center or central. Please keep that in mind. Finimfin, middle, center, or central. Please keep that in mind as we start today's lesson. Straight up into today's lessons with the regions, their names. Please, we would urge you to pay very close attention to the pronunciation of the words, that is the names for the regions in Ghana in Fante, so that you would be able to pronounce them well as we learn along. So let's start. Upper West Region, Etifi and Mantle. Etifi and Mantle. Upper East Region, Etifi Boka Mantle. Etifi Boka Mantle. Northeast Region, Sarmu Boka Mantle. Sarmu Boka Mantle. Northern Region, Sarmu Mantle. Sarmu Mantle. Savannah Region, Sardo Mantle. Sardo Mantle. Bono East Region, Bono Boka Mantle. Bono Boka Mantle. Oti Region, Oti Mantle. Oti Mantle. Ashanti Region, Ashanti Mantle. Ashanti Mantle. Western Region, Ane Mantle. Ane Mantle. Western North Region, Ane Etifi Mantle. Ane Etifi Mantle. Greater Accra Region. Nkran Mantle. Nkran Mantle. Volta Region. Firau Mantle. Firau Mantle. Eastern Region. Boka Mantle. Boka Mantle. Ahafo Region. Ahafo Mantle. Ahafo Mantle. Bono Region. Bono Mantle. Bono Mantle. And the last, that is my region, Central Region. Finimfin Mantle. Finimfin Mantle. So guys, that is it. These are the names of the regions that we have in Ghana in Fante. You may want to play the video back again. Now we would want to clarify a little bit of information here. Now the Ahafo region is also called the Ahafo Mantle because the English name is the same as, the Fante name is the same as how it's said in English. The same as the Bono Mantle, they also have the same thing. And Accra is Nkran. So when you come to the central part of Ghana, that is the Finifin Mantle, the Fante land. When we say Nkran, we are going to Nkran. It means we are going to Accra. So the Greater Accra region is the Nkran Mantle. When we're talking about the regions, we said the northeast region is Sarmu Boka Mantle. Sarmu Boka Mantle. Now Sar has got to do with a dry area, desert, sunny, a place that has a lot of sunshine daily there. But when we say mu, it means in, where mu means in. Sarmu. When we came to Savannah region, we said Sardo Mantle. Sardo, where do means on, do. So Sardo, on the Sar, and the Sarmu is in the Sar, in other words. So in is mu and do is on. Okay, thank you very much for coming to this channel once again and learning the regions in Ghana in Fante. We are very happy that you are here with us. And if I would say this in Fante, my language, papa de iba Apodels Multimedia mfanse kasesua na abosua mfanse kasa na bibiara kwananyim. Your catch all there. Say in and subscribe here. Please subscribe to the channel. Na bomwazna na mi notification bell no. Dam robaya. Yeti bibiara botumno wasabotumaka. Please press the notification bell so that you would receive updated videos. Don't forget to like and bring your thoughtful comments here on Apodels Multimedia Fante Kasesua. So this is where we bring our today's lesson to an end. So soon we are leaving, but hey, we will meet again. This is Ochechrenyi Apiemensa on Apodels Multimedia Fante Kasesua. See you again. Bye bye.